Olivia. Olivia, can you say Popo? No DVD. How about Popo? How about Jojo? How about Yeah? How about Papa? How about Dada? How about Yeah? How about Popo? Popo? How about Jojo? Jojo? How about Susu? How about Nine? How about Mama? No, Mama. No, not Baba. Say Mamo. Di Mamo. Popo. How about Jojo? Popo. Okay, how about Jojo? No? You little busybody? Whoa! Can't turn it off. Why you turn it off? Okay, can you say sleep? It's time for your nap. Okay, don't touch. It's hot. Hot, Olivier. No touch. Yeah. Oh, that's the hot part. Don't touch it. Can you say Grandpa? Papa. How about Papi? Papa. How about Papi? No? D'accord.